How's it going? James Reimer here. I was sitting here waiting on my son to get out of school, so I figured I'd do another video to pass the time. But it's really not working for me. I mean, it is hot as you get the picture. I figured it was time we bump it up a notch. What's up, people? Got a bit of a special treat for you today. Seeing that this is the first video that I'm doing with my new setup, I thought I'd make it extra special, and I'm going to do an unboxing of what you say? Well, it just so happens that I have this. Breeze 4K drone by Yuneec. So let's open her up and see what we got. So excited.
3 weeks later.
There we go. All right. Fly your drone safely. Let's see what we got here. Do fly your unmanned aircraft below 400 feet. Do fly with local clubs. Do inspect your aircraft before you fly. Do take a lesson before you fly. Don't fly your unmanned aircraft beyond line of sight. Don't fly near airports or any manned aircraft. Seriously, people, don't do it. Don't fly near people and stadiums. Don't fly for payment or commercial purposes unless specifically authorized by the FAA. Don't fly anything that weighs more than 55 pounds. That would be an incredible drone. Don't be careless or reckless. You could be fined if you endanger people or other aircraft. No, seriously, be safe. So inside the box we have some very nice packaging, reminiscent of Apple's packaging. Here we have what looks to be a quick start guide, an instruction manual for the controller, and a beginner's guide. All very nicely done. In this little box here we have extra propeller blades. Those could come in handy. Hopefully we won't be running into any trees or anything. And in this box we have what looks to be a battery charger. Hopefully there's a battery that goes with that. In this box we have our controller, the brains of the operation right here. I don't know if you can see that, but that's very nice. It lit up as soon as I took it out. This, of course, would be the holder for your phone, which also acts as a monitor from what I understand. And then here in the bottom, I think we have the payload. All right, the moment of truth. And there she is. Some propeller guards, the battery, and the beauty. Get a nice shot of everything here. By the way, the case that this came in, the drone itself, nice solid case. It is plastic, but you know, it feels pretty solid because you definitely want to protect your investment. There's obviously a lot to do here before this is ready to fly. I believe that we'll save that for a review video. That'll give me a chance to, you know, try it out and give you some feedback on it. For now, we'll call it good. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check the description below for links to the product and any related information, and we'll see you soon.